Hello everyone, today I have a review of a knife from Dulotec company, model K901. The knife comes with the black nylon sheet with zip. As I said before, I like this kind of solution very much. Inside, manufacturer's leaflet, wipe for the knife, and the knife itself. Total length is 20 cm, blade length is 8.2 cm, blade thickness is 3.1 mm. The steel of the blade is M390. It's a high-class Austrian powder stainless steel tempered between 60 to 62 HRC. Perfectly keeps its sharpness. I love this steel, flat grind. You can see some similarity to the blade of the Lion Steel knife, I mean rock model, satin finish. On the blade there is an inscription Dulotec M390 and K901. Button lock, opening with double-sided thumbstat or the button. The knife runs on ball bearings. The handle is a combination of titanium and carbon fiber, titanium clip, hole for paracord. In summary, excellent quality knife, carefully made, and top materials such as titanium or M390 steel. Very light, although it doesn't look like it. That's my first button lock, and I'm delighted. Frequently opening and closing, so you can get addicted to it, just like doing ballistic tricks, because of these magical sounds. It definitely stands out from the knives I own. It's not an automatic knife, but it gives you a possibility to quick open, use and close with one hand. Open, cut and close. That's all in this review. Thanks for watching.